Leader Ali Khamenei. Khamenei's daughter, grandchild and 2 other family members were also killed in the strikes. Earlier, Iran launched missiles and drones towards Israel and US military bases in the region in response to earlier attacks. The strikes mark a significant escalation in tensions between Iran, the United States and Israel, and come amid ongoing discussions over Iran's nuclear program. Well, Iranian state TV read out a statement from the country's Supreme National Security Council announcing Ayatollah Khamenei's assassination.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
In the name of God, the noble soul of Imam Khamenei, leader of the great nation of Iran, the freedom seekers of the world, and the Islamic nations, has joined the highest paradise and reached his long-cherished wish of martyrdom in the holy month of Ramadan. Today, Iran, the Islamic nations, and freedom seekers in the world are grieving the evil attacks by the criminal Americans and wicked Zionists. Both the bloodthirsty enemy, who are intentionally oppressive, should know the awakened hearts of this world have found their way. And although these martyrdoms are costly for Iran and the Islamic world, it makes them more resistant and determined. And undoubtedly, the martyrdom of a personality of such great stature will begin a great uprising in the fight against the world's oppression.